In primetime news this evening, the winner is EOJ starts counting ballots for general election, and winner takes all. Party leaders vote, but what will a loss mean for their future in politics? Decision 2020. Our coverage of the general election continues right after this break. Good evening and welcome to this Election Day edition of Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now also this evening, the business day and sports headlines. But before that, here is our feedback question. Were you satisfied with the procedures put in place for Election Day? Please share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.